Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aida binti Hassan Adil. My mentoring number is A22A0534. For today, I would like to present my introduction. For the company profile, agro industry company based in the Bachok, Kelantan, focus on modernizing traditional agriculture using innovative technology. Livestock feed production, produced on livestock feed, brine mix, and natural supplement. And HL Agro Farm KB Sdn.Bhd also have a frozen food product, integrated agro business model, end-to-end approach farming and processing marketing. Agro Farm KB Sdn.Bhd have a strategic location located at Lot 198, Kampung Seri Kuminting, Gunung Bachok. Market focus value proposition is target local consumer seeking fresh meat and halal frozen food. Offer large-scale integrated operation from farm to sale, positioned as a future leader in a sustainable agro business in Malaysia. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahmi Atira binti Zakaria. My metric number is A22A0348. I will begin with the section on operation and production planning of HL Agro Farm KB. HL Agro Farm is an agribusiness based in Bachok, Kelantan, focusing on livestock farming which include pedigree cattle, goats and chickens. The farm is known for using smart farming practice through the Internet of Things (IoT) to manage livestock health and farm productivity. All operations follow strict veterinary standards to ensure the well-being of the animals. For production process, the farm runs on a structure and test-driven system. Daily routines include feedings, health checks, and crop monitoring, all supported by IoT data. What makes HL Agro Farm unique is its in-house mini feed mills, where it produces its own high nutrition animal feed. This feed is tested and certified in collaboration with UNISA, ensuring top quality and faster, healthier livestock growth. The farm also supplies fresh poultry to Ahmad Fried Chicken, a local business. This shows their capability in meeting commercial supply demands consistently. Supply chain activities, for example, HL Agro Farms operates a closed-loop supply chain, meaning they manage everything internally from feed production to animal sales. This gives them full control over quality and cost. Animals are sold directly to consumers or businesses, avoiding middlemen to ensure freshness. Key activities include livestock transport, health documentation, halal compliance, and direct customer communication. Using IoT system, the farm can track feed consumption, animal health, and environmental condition in real time, which helps improve efficiency and decision making. For research, usage, and management, the farm is focused on sustainability and efficient use of research. For human research, skilled workers handle feeding, cleaning, veterinary monitoring, and machinery. For feed, self-produced and lab-tested feed ensures cost savings and better animal growth. And for technology, IoT sensors monitor farm conditions like temperature and feed intake. Facilities clean specific barns help maintain animal health and meet safety standards. For summary, HL Agro Farm blends modern technology, sustainable practice, and skilled labor to run an efficient agribusiness that support local food supply and entrepreneurship in Kelantan. Now I will move on to the next section, management and human research. At the top, we have the farm director who leads strategy, monitors overall performance, and manages external collaborations. Especially with UNISA, he ensures every department is aligned with the farm's visions. Reporting to him is the farm operations manager who supervises daily livestock activities and IoT-based monitoring. He also coordinates workers and waste while producing operational reports. Next is the feed production supervisor in charge of the mini feed mill. He ensures feed quality, manages raw materials, and keeps the process clean and efficient. The poultry division head oversees chicken production, especially for commercial supply to Ahmad Fried Chicken, and ensure halal and weight compliance. The veterinary technician works with IoT system to monitor animal health, administer vaccination, and treat minor illnesses. Lastly, general farm workers assist in feeding, cleaning, tying grass, and moving livestock. They are trained in basic safety and rotate tasks for flexibility. Management style and leadership. HL Agro Farm applies a participatory leadership style. The farm director encourages discussion and feedback among supervisors and staff, especially for decisions related to food production or animal health protocols. This approach boosts teamwork and accountability. The farm also integrates technology-driven management. Using IoT tools, management can make decisions based on real-time data. Employees are also trained to use these technologies, making the farm more modern and competitive in the agribusiness sector. Conclusion to conclude, HL Agro Farm KB combines strategic leadership, skilled human research, smart farming, and a sustainable supply chain to position itself as a leading modern agribusiness in Kelantan. The farm not only improve food security but also open up opportunities for local economic growth. Thank you.
Okay, let me give an overview of HL Agro Farm market segmentation and target strategy. Okay, HL Agro Farm target professional each in the F&B industry, such as a brothers industry, restaurant owners, and FGO contractors who are experienced, will network and fall within the middle to high income group. Geographically, focus on East Coast states like Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang, particularly in rural and sunburned area where demand for halal meat and sacrificial service is consistent throughout the year. Geographically, HL Agro applies to customers who prioritize halal, fresh, and ethnically sourced product, support Bumiputra business, and actively participate in regular practice such as Korban and Akikah. In terms of customer behavior, restaurants typically purchase fresh meats weekly. Farmers buy calves based on the season, and clients include contract buyer, individual customer for religion, event, and commercial wholesale purchase. Next, we move to HL Farm target. It have three main group. It is restaurant and farmer market needing fresh meat regular, smaller farmer requiring quality cattle feeds and trainings, and the means community for religions and feasts. We provide direct delivery, competitive pricing, and full farm package including technical support. HL Agro Farm's product range include premium cattle breeds, halal fresh and frozen meat, chicken, and special animal feeds. These are made directly from our farm through farmers market and online platform for convenience. HL Agro Farm offer flexible pricing with discount and installments plan to support different customer needs. For promotion, we use social media video, customer testimony, seasonal campaign, and participate in major halal and agriculture events to build trust and brand awareness.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafika Bituan and my matrix number is 82805. Today I will present a financial overview of HL Agro Farm KB9, focusing on its cost structure, financial performance, funding source, budget allocation, and challenge and opportunity it faces. Cost structure. HL Agro Farm means product costs include the purchase of quality cattle birds and raw material of processing feed. Additionally, the company ensures operating expense for its farm and factory facilities. Labor cost structure, approximately 30% of the total operating expense, reflecting the company commitment to employing local workers. Financial performance. The company has demonstrated remarkable growth in the past 2 years. Sales revenue surges by 134.5%, increasing from 5.2 million in 2022 to 1.2 million in 2023. Total asset expand even more impressive by 350.7%, rising from 3.8 million to 15.8 million. Furthermore, the net profit margin improved from 4.1% to 4.87%, indicating better cost management and operational efficiency. Funding sources. HL Agro Farm finances its operation primarily through equity capital, which accounts for 80% of its funding. It also benefits from government funding via a AgroFood NKEA fund, supporting its AgroFood development initiative to support infrastructure development. The company utilized bank loan, enabling expansion of its production capabilities. Budget allocation. For the year 2024, the company has allocated a budget of 7 million strategy across key areas. 35% is dedicated to cattle farming and activities, including breed acquisition and farm management. 25% is allocated to expanding the pellet feed factory to boost the production capacity. Research and development R&D received 17% of the budget, focusing on improving cattle genetic and feed efficiency. The remaining 21% is set aside for infrastructure development, including upgrading farm and factory facilities. Challenge and opportunity. HL Agro Farm face challenges such as fluctuating feed price in the international market and the need to comply with strict veterinary standards to ensure product quality and safety. Despite these challenges, the company has significant opportunities ahead. The demand of halal meat in Malaysia is growing at an estimated rate of 8% annually, offering a strong domestic market. Additionally, the company has the potential to export its product to neighboring countries like Singapore and Brunei through JAKIM certification, opening new revenue streams. In summary, HL Agro Farm KB has shown strong financial growth and effective cost management with solid funding sources and a clear budget plan focused on expansion and innovation. The company is well positive to capitalize on growing market demand and overcome industry challenges. This positions HL Agro Farm as a promising leader in Malaysia agro food sector. Thank you. That's all from me.
Now, in this section of control evaluation, HL Agro Farm KB Sdn.Bhd take it very serious to ensure the continuous improvement. So the first thing that they did is implementing IoT system that facilitate movement and daily to manage livestock in the company. The detection device was created to help detect and monitor the body temperature and health of livestock so that it can minimize the tiring movement for workers who previously check a livestock manually while increasing efficiency without wasting time and labor. Internal standard operating procedures, which is SOP, are also highly emphasized and in accordance with external inspection and carried out by the authorized authorities, which conduct periodic audits and make assessment to monitor the level of compliance with the standards which is set by the government veterinary and halal. And next is the involvement of key performance indicator KPIs for performance evaluation is also taken into account, which includes monthly and weekly sales tracking, evaluation of customer feedbacks, and monitoring of asset production and development. For example, those who purchase frozen meat products is actively researched to assess product quality and consumer satisfaction. Also, the government agencies, universities, and general public are also included in the company's as extensive customer base, which through this mission of building great relationships, it can continue its operation and help its commitment to business quality and responsiveness.
Okay, for the conclusion and reflection, Agro Farm KB Sdn.Bhd, a modern and innovative agro-business company, manage everything from farming to feed production to frozen food, and produce its own animal feed, save a cost, and improve animal health. Make a halal frozen product like marinated chicken and lamb, located in Bachok, good for reaching local customer and support halal food industry and national food security. For the student reflection, learn how agro-business work in a real life, saw the importance of managing resources and making your own product, understand how to meet the market need, realize the agriculture can be modern and food opportunity. And for the challenge student face is a limited time for research and group work. Some part we had will have to understand like animal farming term and need to the extra reading about the agriculture. I think that's all for me. Thank you.